Hey everybody, I'm Jonah from Office Interiors, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the dual posture feature in the Haworth Zody II. This is a feature that we see gaining a lot of popularity right now, so I'm going to talk about what it is and what it does for you in the office. So the dual posture feature puts people in a sitting position that is in between a typical sitting position and a standing position. And it's very popular for height adjustable desks because it puts you in a bit of a perched position that you can sit in while you have your desk at a higher level. And it's great for people who like to lean forward while they work, but don't want to miss out on that back support from their chair. So to engage dual posture, the first thing you're going to want to do is grab that knob that is on the front of your tilt control and push it down. Next, you're going to want to lean back in the chair. You don't have to lean back all the way, it engages pretty quickly. And then when you lean forward, you're going to notice that you're leaning slightly forward in the chair while still in your regular sitting position. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is grab the height adjustment control and bring myself up about 3.5 inches. So now I'm in a perched forward position, but my back is still receiving the full support from my chair that you wouldn't get if you were to just lean forward in your chair naturally. So now if you want to go back into your normal sitting position, you're going to do the same thing, but pull the lever up, lean back again. This time you're going to hear a little click so you know that it's engaged. And then when I lean forward again, I'm sitting more naturally and I can put my height back down to where it was before, and I'm back in my normal sitting position, just like that. I hope that clears up any questions that you have about the Zody II dual posture feature, but if you do have any other questions that you want to ask us, feel free to reach out. We're always here and ready to help.